where to apply Environmental Compliance Certificate or ECC. Para makapag-apply ng Environmental Compliance Certificate, pwede po tayo mag-apply nito online. Sa ating favorite internet browser, gaya ng Google, pwede tayo mag-type like ECC online. At mula dyan, mayroong makikita tayong result sa Google, itong homepage ECC Online. And ito na po ang online application system ng DENR Environmental Management Bureau, Environmental Impact Assessment and Management Division for Environmental Compliance Certificate. Ang gagawin lang dito, kailangan tayong gumawa ng account para makapag-apply ng ECC. Paano gumawa ng account dito para makapag-apply ng ECC? Hanapin nyo lang itong sign up now na button and fill upan completely itong proponent registration page. Sa pag-register ng account, kailangan natin mag-upload ng government ID, authorization letter from the proponent, SEC or DTI registration. Kailangan siyempre magbigay tayo ng active email na siyang gagamitin natin dito sa ating registration, at kapag may mga notification, lalong-lalo status ng application, dyan yan mapapadala. At ganoon din, kailangan mag-decide dito ng username, which is your full name, at saka yung ating desired password. So pagkatapos fill upan lang itong proponent registration page, ayan, pwede na tayong mag-proceed with the ECC online application. Ang atin pong paraan para makapag-apply ng ECC dito sa online application system, kailangan lang natin gamitin yung ating full name or yung username at yung ating password. At yan na, pwede na tayo mag-submit ng ating mga information, documents, and application. Maraming salamat everyone. So ganun lang din po. Just go to ECC Online Application System of EMB. I hope may natutunan kayo kung paano at saan mag-apply ng Environmental Compliance Certificate online. Thank you very much everyone, and if you want to know more about environmental compliance, please subscribe to this channel. Please share this video. Please like this video. Thank you very much po, and God bless us all.